Hello, America, and welcome to the Ag Resource Market Watch weekly commentary, coming direct from the Chicago Board of Trade and brought to you by Bayer. Markets ended lower, sharply so in wheat and the soy complex, as Hurricane Beryl shifted course and provided some much-needed rain to the eastern corn belt. But USDA's July WASDE leans a bit supportive and certainly raises the burden on U.S. weather in July and August. We'll get to the details after a quick message.
For some farmers, soybeans are on their mind 24/7. If you're all about the beans, then Asgrow brand is all about you. That's why we've dedicated ourselves to developing truly localized products. Products with leading genetics and top-tier weed management. Products that maximize the profit potential on every acre you've got. You're serious about soybeans, and we're serious about your success. Visit Asgrow.com. It's all about the beans. Read and follow pesticide label directions, grain marketing, and other stewardship practices.
Nearby corn traded below $4. Wheat futures fell 25 to 40 cents on larger than expected U.S. production, and beans fell nearly 60 cents as China remains generally absent from the market. Dan, break down the soy complex.
Well, Ben, the soybean market had another down week as the trade is really becoming rattled with China's absence of a U.S. soybean buyer. China did buy a couple of cargoes this week, but well below their pace of recent months in terms of purchases for new crop soybeans. Last year, or the current crop year, China's looking at importing around 24 million tons or 880 million bushels of soybeans. So far on the books, they've got something less than 5 million bushels. That's the problem for the bean market going forward. Back to you, Ben.
USDA raised U.S. wheat production 130 million bushels, which was unexpected and based mostly on projected record spring wheat yields. U.S. wheat needs to compete for export demand now, and that market sagged this week. But U.S. old crop corn stocks were lowered to 1.87 billion bushels on larger feed and export disappearance. New crop U.S. corn stocks were cut very slightly despite larger area, and so now a yield above 180 is neutral to bearish, a yield below 177 or so is neutral to bullish, and so it's all weather until late August.
Well, that's all this week. I'm Dan Bosse.
And I'm Ben Buckner. Thanks for tuning in to the Ag Resource Market Watch, brought to you by Bayer.
Podcasts by Federated Media.